Everybody loves showing up when it's easy. But the real question is, are you going to show up when you're tired? Because that is when you make a difference. I'm saying this right now. I'm kind of speaking to myself a little bit, if I'm being honest, because it's currently 10:13 p.m. and I'm exhausted. I had an extremely long day at work. I'm not gonna lie, this is just gonna be a straight raw no cut video. To tell you how long it was, I hit 20,000 plus steps today, and I did not want to make this YouTube video. I want to just take a shower and go to bed, but I had to remind myself that I'm dedicated to this and I'm going to stay consistent to this. I want to hit my 30 days because opportunities don't just show up when, you're for the people that are rested, right? You have to show up and you have to be consistent. Most people, they wait until they feel like it, but we're going to be tired. You're going to be tired, right? That doesn't mean that you quit. You're just human. We all get tired. But the real difference is, are you going to show up when you're tired? If you only act, if you only execute, if you only take action when it's comfortable, you will never see what you're truly capable of. The days that you're going to push through, the days that you push through when you're tired, that's going to prove to yourself who you are. That's going to prove to yourself how much or how bad you want it, right? And that's going to turn into confidence. So the next time that you're exhausted, the next time you're tired, ask yourself really, will I commit? Will I continue to execute? Will I continue to make another step towards my goal? Not can I have the energy for this? Not can I make another video? Can I write another page? No. Will I? Will you continue to stay committed to your goals? Will you will you stay committed to yourself, right? Will you stay committed to the people that are supporting you? There's the people that are believing you. There's the people, I'm just keep on saying the people that are relying on you, right? Will you stay committed to all of those people? Because during this time period, even for myself, right, I'm having to remind myself it's not about being perfect every single day and really just being perfect in general. It's about being present every single day. It's about showing up every single day. It's about putting 1% effort or trying to be 1% better every single day, right? I'm telling myself one more set, one more video, one more email, right? All that stuff adds up and it's going to create momentum. It's going to create momentum for you. So I want you to always remember this, right? Will I stay committed? Will I stay consistent? Will I continue to show up for myself? Will I continue to show up for the people that believe in me? Will I continue to show up for the people that rely on me? So tomorrow morning, right, when you're tired, ask yourself, do I want excuses or do I want results? And as I wrap up this video, because I'm tired, I'm not going to lie to you, and I want to go to bed. Always remember to eat, execute, achieve, then teach. Because your story of showing up, even when tired, might just be the reason why somebody else pushes themselves to their limit. And that's exactly what they need. They need you and they need your story.